too loud. Okay, sorry. Okay, so welcome again to Ashi's Book Club. So you already know that I'm reviewing and introducing books to you in this channel. Okay, so now let's start. So first I have to tell you that today I brought you another world famous best-selling but mostly a kid's hilarious, famous among kids because it's really hilarious. Okay, so now let's start. You already see the names, I guess, and you already will guess. So I'll give you a little hint. Written by Frances R. Simon and of course illustrated by Tony Ross. Yeah, guessed it. The hilarious Horrid Henry. Okay, so I have one more book from here, the 3-in-1 books, but that one book is in my grandparents' house, so sorry, unfortunately. That's alright. You know the joke book 3-in-1? But that's the one that's in my grandparents' house, so others are all here. Okay, so now let's start. So I told you that this set is written by Frances R. Simon and of course illustrated by Tony Ross. Okay, now let's start. So this one says that it's for the 20 years of Horrid Henry. 20 million books sold. 1994 to 2014. So this is the only one from another edition. All the others are from the same edition. Okay, so we have Horrid Henry Meets the Queen. And this book has two books here are just from two different editions. Horrid Henry Meets the Queen. Okay, my face will be closed just to have close cover. Horrid Henry Meets the Queen 1 and Horrid Henry Meets the Queen 2. Boo boo. Okay, keep them here. And then we have Horrid Henry and the Zombie Vampire. Well, this is another neat because I like vampires but I hate zombies. Okay. Next we have Horrid Henry Wakes the Dead. Come on here. Next we have Horrid Henry's Haunted House. Really? Pajama Clad. You know, I usually at night say, hey, come on, I'm pajama clad. Okay. And then we have, so I'm not really used to saying these words in front of a camera, but Horrid Henry's Underpants. Okay, next we have Horrid Henry's Bodies. So this was the first, okay, that's in the end, I'll just keep this thing out to tell a small fact. Horrid Henry's Purple Hand Gang Joke Book. A helping of Horrid Henry. This consists, front view. This consists of Horrid Henry's Knits, Horrid Henry Gets Rich Quick, and Horrid Henry's Haunted House. So keep it there. And this is a triple treat of Horrid Henry. This consists of Horrid Henry's Revenge, Horrid Henry and the Mummy's Curse, and Boogie Babysitter. And then here we have a hat trick of Horrid Henry. This consists of Mega Man Time Machine, Football Fiend, and Christmas Cracker. Stay there. And this and a extra large Horrid Henry's House of Horrors. Keep that there. Fronter, closer, wheel. Boop. Okay. Now this is about the body. So this was the first Horrid Henry book I read. This was not collected because I just got this about, let's say, a week ago. Yeah. Okay. So the thing is, at our school we had the library. We can borrow books. I heard of this, but I never got a pushing to read this book. Just got it, and I like these body facts. I always liked anatomy, and so I took this book and started reading, and oh my god, it was really hilarious. Real facts with a mixing of humorous facts. Okay, So then after that I liked this book, but I couldn't collect any. I think I read this in the library about 4 years ago. Okay. And then I collected all these books last year. So I think I borrowed more books and read them, but not like collected to my own. But now I have them and I'm gonna keep collecting more. Okay, there's a huge collection of Horrid Yukoni. Okay, so pretty short video, that's alright. All my introducing videos are like this, unless it's a very huge set, like the Harry Potter indeed. Okay, now for the end, subscribe, like, and click the bell icon to get any new videos from my channel. So stay humorous, stay hilarious, and laugh to any knock joke, normal joke, or any foul jokes. Okay, so see you next day. Humorous friends. Boo-boo.